Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at dollar Canada. On the daily chart, what we see over here is actually a bullish trend that is often misread by a lot of traders that is a sideways movement. So why is this important? Because it helps you to plan your trade the right way. If you are trading on a shorting opportunity, that means selling during a uptrend movement, then you have to be a bit more conservative. In a sideways movement, well, you can get a bit loose in terms of your target taking and stuff like that. If you want to, you can, but not on a bullish trend. Alright, you have to be conservative, meaning to say, stretching of targets is a no-no for most of the situation. If you love this kind of stuff, scan this QR code, it will bring you to our Discord channel, which I'll guide you shortly how to maneuver within our Discord channel. To the 4-hour chart, this is what we have on the 4-hour chart. It still shows a very strong bullish trading setup, and in fact, a potential trading strategies if you have spotted any. 1-hour chart over here, it may seems like it is on a bearish trend. Because of this move, it affects you and clouded that movement of the judgment. But this entire structure right now is a weaker bear trading setup. So if you want to learn how to read the trend the correct way with just one glance within seconds, you can identify the trends the right way. Scan the QR code, it will bring you to our Discord server over here. This is where under the Traders Cafe, or in fact even under the trade floor, you get to see all other traders, including myself and my students, are looking at what kind of trading strategies they are looking at. There are so many trading strategies over here. All right, so you have a good idea what are the levels people are looking to buy and sell. I'm not asking you to follow them blindly, but you have a good idea what other traders might be looking at those levels, and you want to wait for some form of confirmation before you engage your own trades. If you want to access to my personal trading ideas over here, then well, this is only open for subscriber with entry, stops and targets that is being updated from time to time. If this is what you want to receive and receive these expert level kind of analysis in advance, drop me a note, then you get to receive this kind of detailed analysis. I can even sometimes share about levels. I'm going to put stops to entry. That's what I meant by TP0. But this is not a tool for you to follow blindly. All right, it's for you to have a look what am I doing, and you see what you can do about it. Would you like to make some changes, or you agree to some of the analysis I've done? All right, so to the information segment under the Traders Cafe, click this link over here, the pin messages. Click the free course over here. This is where you get to access to our students portal, and over here you have the options to join our Telegram broadcast channel. So if you're already in Telegram, why not? Correct? Because you will receive our voice memo, and in case there's any really important stuff, it will be posted on both Discord and Telegram. But the first message instance will always go to the Discord. If you scroll down further, this is where you get to access our free training, where you get to learn trends, you get to learn trading strategies, or entry rules, engagement, how we place our stop loss will be all taught over here. So if you like what you're saying, you want to learn more about trading, then drop us a note where you'll see if you're ready to be coached before we accept you as our students. If you scroll down further, this gives you a good idea on what kind of trades we are looking at. The trades we are looking at give us a 2-1 ratio. Then we'll engage those trades, because with those trades having a 2-1 ratio, we just need 40% accuracy rates to be right, and will be profitable by the end of the year. All right, so if you are still new in trading, a lot of times traders are looking to get it right. That is a mentality of a job to fulfill the job. But trading is just like business deals. You are looking and focusing on deals, not that only the deals are sound or good deals, like the trading strategies over here. The strategy have to be tested for at least 100 times per time frame per currency pair, but also the returns has to be good. Meaning you say that if I'm risking $1, I want to receive more than $2, $2 and above, then I'll be interested to get involved in that business deal or that trading ideas. So let us head back to our daily chart and share with you my analysis over here. And of course, if you want to learn more things in that area, drop me a note and we will see if you're ready to be coached and to be coached by us. All right, so on our daily chart, this is what happened. We have a Gartley pattern. If you're engaged it, congratulations, but this is the time that you have to watch closely. Let's see how much profits is running right now. Should you have engaged these trades? At the best and at the worst time, about 81 pips is not too bad. So in case like this, if you're afraid that the market might go against you, can always shift stops to entry, but 81 pips on the daily chart is considered very little. All right, if you shift it at this stage, you might just miss the entire trade. Something to take note. For our chart, this is what we are looking at, a deep Gartley pattern, looking for a buying opportunity at about 135.94. This is where you can look for a buying opportunity if you want to do a overall higher time frame trend trading opportunity on the 1 hour chart. We have a bullish bat pattern. You can wait for a type 2 setup because it has already hit its target profits. This entire move is a good 93 pips move. It's not too bad. If you close after the candlestick's confirmation over here, 72 pips is not too bad as well. So if you are pattern traders, then if you've been trading and looking at patterns, harmonic patterns for quite some time, you'll be very sensitive with this kind of movement right now. So this is where I will head down to one time frame lower. On the 15 minutes, I saw a potential, should this be the highest C point over here, that means the highest retracement point over here, then the completion of the Gartley will be a Gartley pattern at X 1.3678. And for me to trade on the 15-minute chart, it must have some good reason. The first thing I look at from X to A, I have to see about 100 pips. It's 95 pips. Well, it's not too bad, but it's not the best, you know, because I need 100 pips. First target at least give me a substantial move for me to shift stops to entry and get some good income, correct? But what allows me to engage this trade after all, even it doesn't have 100 pips? It's near, but it has not. In most cases, I'll just ignore it. But why I still engage it? Because first up, the completion point is at X. Best possible price ever. So you have no idea. X means the starting point, which means stops goes below it. I'll have a great reward is the risk. To the 1 hour chart, okay, why is it important? Because I can see that the completion of it will be also a retest of the bullish bat pattern, where we call it a type 2 pattern because the target has been reached. Either target has been reached, it will call it as type 2. That signals us that the traders, a group of traders, might have just exited the trade, so the trend might not be that bullish. All right. So if you love this kind of analysis, I'm sure my students understand what I'm talking about. But if you want to decode this entire thing and to learn the language of recognizing trends, the market and stuff like that, earn some good income by spending just 15 minutes a day, drop me a note. We'll see if you're ready to be coached before we accept you as our students. I will see you soon.